gears have driven human civilization towards an era of machinery and efficiency. 150 years ago, Joseph KOEPFER began the legend of gear manufacturing. Over 10 years ago, this precision craftsmanship from Germany took root in Jintan, Changzhou. KOEPFER Changzhou Transmission Technology Company Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of the German KOEPFER Group. With the vision of driving the world with gears, and the mission of KOEPFER, the highest level of professional expertise, KOEPFER committed to creating durable transmission components for the automotive industry that can withstand the test of time. Relying on outstanding technical quality and services, KOEPFER Changzhou has successfully obtained multiple management system certifications. Its product range covers ICE, hybrid, EREV, EV, from high-precision gears to integrated gearbox assemblies. It uses a diversified product line to meet the needs of the global automotive industry. In KOEPFER, the values of innovation, efficiency, quality, and professionalism are never just slogans on the wall. Instead, they are action guidelines integrated into every detail. There are total 30 precision processes such as turning, hobbing, and gear grinding, along with 15 heat treatment technologies, including carburizing, quenching, and nitriding. Every advanced technique is an interpretation of innovation and professionalism. The company strictly adheres to the CQI 9 Special Process Standards. It is equipped with advanced carburizing and nitriding process equipment. This ensures that the gears maintain stable transmission performance even in high-pressure environments. In the post-heat treatment workshop, after going through multiple processes to control the accuracy and dimensions, the gear precision has been further improved. Gleason Power Skiving Machine. It is used for machining straight teeth and helical teeth of internal gears, and is capable of performing precision gear processing after heat treatment. KOEPFER has 10 sets rush-hour teeth grinding machines. These machines are equipped with the twist correction grinding function and super finishing teeth grinding function. Each product, from design drawings to mass production and delivery, must undergo rigorous inspections as part of the quality control process. Our facilities have CMM, optical shaft metrology, and Klingenberg precision measuring centers. They not only can detect gear production accuracy, but also perform Fourier monitoring and analysis on drive gears in the electric vehicle field to optimize NVH performance. Our team consistently monitors internal and external feedback, manufacturing efficiency, and costs over the past 24 hours. Leverage the technical expertise of German headquarters. Ensure a responses within 24 hours. This allows us to enable a perfect integration of precision manufacturing and rapid customization. From traditional fuel vehicles to new energy vehicles, from core gears to complex gearbox components, KOEPFER's products continue to empower precision transmission and industrial progress. We look forward to jointly writing a new chapter in gear manufacturing.